PrizePicks accounts can be deactivated due to self-exclusion, inactivity, 18 plus months without activity, policy violations, for example chargebacks, multi-accounting, or AeroPay issues. Reactivation isn't self-service. Contact support for review. 7 days, faster for inactivity. Steps: download or update the app. Get the PrizePicks app, iOS, Android. Attempt login, note error. Contact support, in-app, menu, help, live chat, 24/7, fastest. Email, support@prizepicks.com. Include email, username, deactivation reason if known. For AeroPay suspensions, email support@aeropay.com with bank details for verification. Provide details, share full name, email, phone, DOB, and last 4 digits of payment method. Explain situation, for example say, reactivate after self-exclusion. Wait for approval. Support verifies eligibility, age 18 to 21 plus, state laws. If approved, account restores with balance intact, minus inactivity fees if any.